श्रुति विद माय सेकंड नेचर और आज टाइम है थोड़ी म्यूजिंग करने का। सब बात करते हैं कि कोविड के इस माहौल ने हमें कितना कुछ सिखाया है। क्या पहले जैसी जिंदगी हम जीते थे? वुड इट बी पॉसिबल टू ब्रिंग इतना सारा चेंज विदाउट कोविड? बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं, लेकिन अगर पॉजिटिव की तरफ फोकस करें तो क्या है कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो कोविड ने आपको सिखाई हैं? जैसे मेरे लिए कुछ बातें जो रियलाइजेशंस की जैसे आई हैं, यू नो, सम वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स जो आपने भी फील की होंगी, जैसे कि सर्वाइवल स्किल्स का इंप्रूव होना, यू नो, बहुत ही बेसिक, कम से कम चीजों के अंदर कैसे जीना, हाउ टू सर्वाइव विद एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हाउ टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट। तो आई एम श्योर ये तो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया ही होगा, कैसे लैविश एक्सपेंसेस को कट डाउन करना है, या जनरली भी जो पहले आपको चीजें लगती थी कि हम तो इसके बिना जी नहीं सकते हैं, सडनली व्हेन कोविड की एंट्री हुई बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें कट डाउन हो गई नेचुरली एंड विदाउट रियली थिंकिंग कि हाँ एक्चुअली हम इसके बिना भी जी सकते हैं। बट आई थिंक द बेस्ट चेंज जो हम सब में आया है वो है कि खुद में एक ठहराव आ गया है। Have you noticed it? कैसे पहले हम बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे पेशेंस लूज कर देते थे। इनिशियली लॉकडाउन के टाइम, चाहे वो बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ पोल्यूशन, यू नो, क्योंकि लैक ऑफ ट्रैफिक है उसकी वजह से हुआ हो, नॉइस पोल्यूशन कम हुआ उसकी वजह से हुआ हो, या हमें बहुत सारा टाइम खुद के साथ स्पेंड करने को मिल रहा है ना चाहते हुए भी, चाहे उस रीज़न की वजह से आया हो। बट ऑल इन ऑल पेशेंस तो डेफिनेटली हम सब में बड़ा है। And that I think is a brilliant thing, because पहले हमें कितना भागते रहते थे, हर चीज, छोटी से छोटी चीज which also doesn't even require, वो करने के लिए भी हम सिर्फ भागते रहते थे। Now suddenly, at least I have noticed this about me, that I have calmed down, कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब ये सेम काम को पेशेंटली भी किया जा सकता है, हर चीज के अंदर हड़बड़ी की जरूरत नहीं है, you know what I mean? और वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई जहां पे मैंने और चीजें रियलाइज करनी शुरू की, जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस खुद को एक्सक्यूजेस देने बंद हो गए। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे पहले मैं हमेशा कंप्लेन करती थी कि मुझे एक नया मे बी यू नो म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखना है, या अरे मुझे मेडिटेशन का टाइम नहीं मिलता, ओ मेरे को कोई नई स्किल सीखनी है, बट ओ वेयर इज द टाइम। लेकिन जब मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम था भी ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन, बिकॉज जेन्युइनली आप और कुछ तो कर नहीं सकते, देयर वाज अ टाइम स्टार्टिंग के पहले 2 महीने में वह तब भी मैं कुछ नया नहीं सीख रही थी। आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट सिट एंड आई यूज्ड टू वंडर कि ओ जब सब कुछ खुलेगा मैं तब करूंगी। तो मतलब जब सब कुछ पहले खुला था, दैट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू वेट कि थोड़ा टाइम कब मिलेगा तब करूंगी। जब टाइम मिला देन आई यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर कि ओ सब कुछ जब खुलेगा। तो अल्टीमेटली तो एक्सक्यूजेस ही हुए ना। ऑल दीज एक्सक्यूजेस, इस लूप से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा। एंड आई थिंक इफ कलेक्टिवली आई थिंक अबाउट इट, इन सब चीजों का एक सबसे बड़ा असर जो मुझ पे हुआ वो है, आई स्टार्टेड आस्किंग माई सेल्फ, हु एम आई? अगर मुझे लगता है कि वाई एम आई नॉट लिविंग कम्प्लीटली, मेरी लाइफ में अच्छी तरह जी क्यों नहीं रही हूँ, उसका टाइम या टाइम का ना होना, या अरे अगर कुछ लाइफ में और बदला तब उस समय का आना, इन सब चीजों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। इट्स ऑल अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड। एंड आज हम उसी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कोविड के टाइम अगर ये कुछ मेरी रियलाइजेशंस थी, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर जो मेरे बाकी दोस्त हैं उनकी भी कुछ ऐसी ही रियलाइजेशंस होंगी। तो आज कुछ ऐसी बातें डिस्कस करूंगी विद अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, ज्योति सरदार। पढ़ाई तो की थी टू बी अ रॉकेट साइंटिस्ट, पर लाइफ हैड अदर प्लान्स फॉर हर। मिस इंडिया में भाग लेने के बाद शी बिकेम अ एयर होस्टेस सो दैट शी कुड ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड। पहले उनके रेडियो करियर की शुरुआत हुई मुंबई में, बट उसके बाद वो काफी शहर बदल चुकी हैं, नॉट जस्ट एज अ रेडियो जॉकी, शो प्रोड्यूसर, बट इन फैक्ट दिल्ली में वो एक रेडियो स्टेशन हेड भी कर चुकी हैं, एंड ऑल्सो इन दुबई। तो मतलब मुंबई, दिल्ली, दुबई का ये जो ट्रायंगल था ऑफ रेडियो, अब अल्टीमेटली एक शो होस्ट करती हैं कॉल्ड द मिक्स टेप, जो कैलिफोर्निया में एयर होता है, एंड होस्ट्स अ रिएक्शन चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब। Now over the years of knowing her, हमारी लाइफ के इतने डिटेल्ड डिस्कशंस हम कर चुके हैं that I thought she is the perfect person. क्या थी ऐसी realizations which have helped her in this past year? Hi Jojo, how are you?
Hello.
Welcome to my second nature.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. So exciting.
I know. पिछला साल जो रहा है and what all craziness it has made all of us go through. So
Too much.
What has COVID taught you? Firstly, I want to know where in the world are you right now and how is it treating you?
So I am back to base, I should say, back to square one, because, as you know, I grew up in Oman in Muscat,
Correct.
and then I left home at the age of 17 when I moved abroad to Europe for university, and I haven't been home since then. So it's been a very, very long time, more than half my age, which I will
Wow.
not tell you. But yes,
You've been only
so
5 years. Well done.
yeah, I mean that's long enough, let's just say. But नहीं बहुत उससे ज़्यादा ही time हो गया है. So I decided it's actually for me it's been weird because you know the lockdown sort of forced everyone to pause, right?
Right.
And I had sort of consciously taken that decision about 7 to 8 months before lockdown actually happened, when I moved back to Muscat from Delhi.
Right,
And so, as you know, like I spent 2 years in Delhi. I was heading a radio station there, and I was simultaneously creating a brand of luxury vegan shoes.
Yes.
So it was
Juju.
kind of, yes, which was
Yes.
my passion project, which is now my full-time work. So it was madness. For 2 years it was 24/7. This was like the first phase of my life where I never took a vacation. I didn't travel. I didn't go and do the things I love doing normally. I
Right.
just was work, and after work, the second work. You know.
Yes,
So I consciously made that decision in 2019, mid 2019 in the summer, to come back home and just be here and fly back and forth when needed for work, but to
Yeah.
just generally be at home with family and slow down.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
because at that point in life I was feeling the need for that, and then boom, 7 to 8 months later, come March 2020, and the entire world is forced into that lifestyle.
Correct,
right?
correct.
So a lot of my friends actually came. They would call me. You know how everyone was catching up when lockdown happened. A lot
Yeah.
of people were zooming each other and this and that.
Yeah.
So a lot of my friends were like, "But how do we do this? We've never been stuck at home this way,
Yeah.
and you've kind of consciously been in that zone for the last 6-7 months."
Correct.
And I was like, "Yeah, it's really like I feel like there's no change in my daily lifestyle right
I
now."
felt the same way. I'd felt exactly
right?
that. Yeah. Everyone
Yeah.
around me was like, "Oh my God, we are stuck at home," and I'm like, "Guys, just
Yeah.
chill."
Yeah.
That's like, yeah.
Because you've been working from home as well.
Yeah,
I've
for the
been
past 2
working from-
years, exactly.
Yeah. So I've always said that I'm born in the wrong era, because I always felt like, you know, the 70s, 80s ka zamana, when
Yeah.
our parents would come home from their day in the office and aram se sit and have that chai and converse with each other. Like those times are not there anymore. And I was like, I wish I was living in that decade. And that kind of just happened this year for everybody, you know.
yeah.
We all had to slow down, and we all had to sort of give ourselves permission to just feel whatever we were feeling,
Correct. To just be.
to just be. And also because there were so many emotional waves coming and going
Yeah.
for every person on the planet, whether you were feeling like, what am I doing with my life, or
Correct.
I have no hobbies. You know, if I'm not going out and meeting people and partying or doing the regular outdoor things,
Correct.
then what do I really do in life? You know, those kind of thoughts, everyone was getting those.
Absolutely.
But the more important thing is not to like feel bad for feeling those thoughts. You have to just
Yeah.
give yourself permission to think those things and actually dwell on those thoughts.
Correct.
And
No, so considering that you were already in that zone, what
Yeah.
did you go through? You know, ऐसी कौन सी कुछ realizations थी where you were like, okay, pause. I know I'm going through a tough time. What was your bigger learnings that you came out of it?
my bigger learnings, I think, would be pretty, I think the whole world will probably feel these same things because as a, you know, we feel it's a very polarized world right now, and we all feel very different from each other, and we notice the differences, but at the end of the day, everyone's the same, and our shared experiences are sort of the same, which 2020 and COVID has really brought into the forefront. So I felt like I am very, very grateful for so many things, right? That was my number one thing. Like, there is so much that I'm constantly chasing in life, but actually I already have so many things that a lot of people don't have, and I should just be super grateful for that every day.
Yeah.
So that was number one thing that just popped into my head, you know. Oh my God, I'm healthy. I'm so grateful. oh my God, I have my family around me, I'm so grateful. You know, oh my God, I have 3 meals a day, I'm so grateful.
Yeah.
So things like that. And then of course I kind of also realize what connection really means. In the last 5 to 10 years, when the internet and social media has taken over,
Yeah.
we've all been like, oh my God, it really helps the world stay connected and this and that and da, da, da. But we've also been complaining that face-to-face connections have reduced.
Correct.
You know,
We've been taking it for granted. You know, the whole virtual connection. Okay, हाँ वो तो है, but what about face to face?
Yeah.
We've been kind of taking it for granted.
virtual
भी
both
अच्छा
are
है.
important. Yeah.
Yeah.
Virtual bhi acha hai
Yeah.
because how else were people imagine if there was none of that today.
My God.
There was no FaceTime, there was no Zoom, there was
Yeah.
nothing, and a pandemic like 1920, the Spanish flu had hit. You know, just being
Yeah.
locked in your house with nothing to do, and a lot of people in the world live alone now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
There's the joint family, and the community living has sort of reduced a lot in this
Yeah.
century, especially. What I took out of it is, yes, face to face, eye to eye contact and all of that is important, but let's not discount the other ways of connecting we have. And you know, speaking of that, I find it really funny how people nowadays think long distance relationships are so hard, and I'm not gonna date this person that I really connect with because, you know, the
Yeah,
other
because
city,
there's
other
distance.
country.
Huh.
I'm just thinking, buddy, in the 70s, people used to write letters and used to wait weeks for
Right?
one phone call, and they used to make it work, and they used to end up married. And you take this for granted, like having
Yeah.
a special connection with someone. I don't understand this. So
Yeah,
that
you take WhatsApp for granted.
you take WhatsApp, FaceTime, and
It's
all
there.
all the
Yeah.
tech at your disposal, at your fingertips. You take it for granted, and
Correct.
you think that, you know, a connection with someone is going to just come along like the next bus on the road. It's not.
It's
you
not.
know?
It really isn't. So there's another very important thing which I had experienced, which I want I want to know if you also went through it. You know how in life we are always giving ourselves a lot of excuses that when things will be better, when this improves or that happens, that's when I'm going to do this. But now when lockdown happened, suddenly we had all the time in the world, but we still weren't getting around to actually doing what we really wanted. You know,
Yes.
now for someone like you who has done so many things in your life, and abhi though I had initially listed down only the stuff that you have officially and professionally done, there is also the whole salsa side of you, you know, which you were pursuing. There is like the creative sides that you do such beautiful sketching. There is so much more to you. You know, as a person who already does so much, did you also experience that during lockdown?
I did, and I'll tell you, it's very interesting because when I paint or when I, you know, dance or choreograph something or any of those creative things, it doesn't just come because I have free time.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
it has to it has to be inspired by something, and you have to feel it. You know, like you're gonna
In your
burst if you
bones.
don't put
Yes.
it out there.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
So that is one thing that people shouldn't beat themselves up over, because a lot of you want to be creative and you want to be productive and you want to achieve all these different things, learn a new language in lockdown, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
People set these goals and
Yeah.
tasks, but that's just expecting too much and putting too much pressure on yourself.
Correct.
So you know, when you're emotionally calm and stable, then you're physically also calm and stable, is another big learning for me. And that emotional sort of calmness comes from just finding meaning in your day from any little thing. It
Correct.
could be from the fact that, okay, today I trimmed my plant's leaves. You know,
I agree with you. Yeah. Yeah.
it doesn't have to be like, oh, today I learned the past tense conjugation in French. So you know,
Yes.
like calm down, it's okay.
Yeah, it's all
You have
right.
to- yeah, you have to find the joy in the little things, because and I heard this in a podcast by Brené Brown, when people are asked, you know, people who've been through a lot of trauma or through a lot of difficult times in life, like war or things like that,
Yeah.
and you ask them years later, like, what do you miss the most?
Right.
They say the little things, like the way my mom laid the table for dinner every day.
Yeah.
They don't say that, oh, I miss that big trip we took that time, or that
Correct.
big thing we did together. It's just those little things in your daily life that will
Correct.
bring you that emotional well-being wala feeling.
Yeah.
So it's, just focus on those. That was my sort of thing
And
that I noticed.
What about patience? Did your patience?
Matlab, another level it has reached. I feel like now ninja level patience has come. No, the thing is, and I this is why my 2 years in Delhi, I have to say again, even though they were the most difficult sort of period I've been through, professionally and physically, emotionally demanding, speaking in those terms.
Right.
But they also taught me a lot of patience. So in hindsight, when you look back, for me personally, I was like, the amount of patience I learned in trying to set up a new business, and things going wrong at every stage, and then fixing, taking 2 steps back, 1 step forward, those kind of things, that was preparing me for 2020.
Right. Wow.
So just being, and even the 6 to 7 months that I was in my own self-induced lockdown at home with family, it just taught me how to slow down and to just be patient with myself, because like you said, I've been so on the move and doing things, traveling the world. I've just been a very non-stop go, achieve this goal next, achieve this goal next, achieve this goal next, otherwise I feel useless. So I have literally in the last 2 to 3 years now, it's been a very it's been a lesson in patience with myself, number one, and patience with just things not going your way, and that being okay.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing. That it is okay if things don't go your way. And कोई ऐसे race नहीं चल रही है. With yourself today, you can just calm down and you can just chill.
Exactly. So true. And another very important thing I feel like I should say about especially 2020 is that when people are now sort of, I feel, gonna go into that zone where they're scared to step out, or they're kind of overly they've got this sort of trauma in their head ki nahi, I shouldn't meet people and I think you have to obviously be careful, and you have to be smart about how you go about your life now, but don't live in a state of constant fear. Now that hopefully the world will start opening up in the next, hopefully 6 months, we'll see. And we don't allow ourselves to feel joy completely, because another thing, and I love Brené Brown because she's like a guru. She's also said that the most frightening thing for most people in the world today is a state of complete joy, because they're always thinking that something bad is going to happen and take it away.
Correct.
So they don't allow themselves to be vulnerable or to feel joy completely. And
even when they're joyful. So that's like,
even when they're joyful, and even when they're in moments where there's nothing for them to stress about or worry about, and everything is going fine.
Correct.
And so now I feel like that may become even more pronounced. So I feel like people should just sit and understand that joy is to be just felt, feel it. Don't it's not foreboding, it's not like something bad is going to happen, nazar lagegi aur kuch bura ho jayega, let me not enjoy this moment completely. It's just allow yourself to be.
That's the one big thing COVID has taught us, कि if you are happy, you don't need anything external to make you happy. आप अपने घर में अगर अपने, like you said, कि फूल पत्ते भी काट रहे हो, कुछ नया उगा रहे हो, if you're just cooking something, even if it doesn't turn out very well, without sharing it on Instagram, you can still be happy with it,
Exactly. Oh my God, I made pad thai twice, and both the times it was a disaster, but I was like, theek hai, this was
but you
fun.
were happy with
it. The process was fun. Exactly.
So true. But now another fun thing that you have started is this whole reaction video thing. So that also started during the lockdown, right? So now, just to let the listeners know, so Jyoti or Jojo does this reaction channel where बहुत सारे जो भी नए गाने आए हैं, she takes those and she reacts to those, and she started that during the lockdown, जब सब सोच रहे थे कि ओह काम खत्म हो गया, अब क्या करें, वो काम नहीं कर सकते. That's when you started it. So how did that happen? I mean, currently of course I co-hosted with you, so I'm very happy about that.
Yes, but you are my partner in crime.
Yeah, but शुरू कैसे हुआ?
So I'll tell you how it happened. During my slowdown period at home in 2019 is when I discovered, there's a whole world on YouTube which I was not experiencing or watching. So I started watching some videos, and I saw a few of these reaction channels, and I was like, okay, so
कर क्या रहे हैं?
Yeah, but I was like, okay, for me, who's been a music programmer and a music enthusiast for like so many decades now.
Correct,
And
yeah.
I mean, I've grown up on collecting CDs, making mixtapes, and distributing them between to my friends and all of that,
Yes.
to actually becoming a music programmer in radio for like now 15 plus years.
Yeah.
So for me, it's like I have a lot more to say about this music that
Yeah.
they're talking about.
Yeah.
And it just sort of stayed as a little seed. The seed was planted in my brain, and then this summer, after like a couple of months into lockdown, I was like, why don't I just start a channel? Nobody's going to watch, so even if it looks bad and I'm talking rubbish, nobody's gonna know. You know?
Just for
So-
people who are listening, nobody is going to listen currently. As we speak, as we recorded and air this, has crossed more than 22,000 subs. So for her idea of nobody listening, well, yeah, like, you know, millions ki baat kare to true, nobody's listening, but enough people are. Haan, Jojo, continue.
Yeah, so that's a little surprising for me, but I was like, you know, I genuinely enjoy discovering new artists, discovering new music, and especially you also know this through
Yeah.
my radio years, I was always trying to find new artists and new music and play their music, because we were already playing the commercial popular
Correct.
stuff, but I wanted to you know, get new sounds out there and all of that. It really
Correct.
gives me joy. And then
Yes.
people messaging in and saying, oh my god, I love that song, which artist was that? So I've seen a lot of these artists grow over time that I
Yeah.
first discovered, you know, and started playing their music on radio, all of that. So it gives me a lot of joy. I don't know them personally, many of them I know, many of them I don't know, but I just find joy that a creative person who's putting their art out there gets discovered, and
Correct.
you know, gets to share that that shared experience of something you love with other people
Correct.
is just joyful. So the channel for me now, that, and you're, you know, on it with me, you can see how much engagement there is, and
Yeah.
people leave comments, and people feel joy when we discover new artists that they love, you know.
Correct,
So this
correct.
collective sharing of that joy is
It's
so
it's
good. So
beautiful, yeah.
so it literally started off in the lockdown. To answer your question, it started in the lockdown because I was like, what else do I do now? I have like 3-4 hours of free time every day.
Yeah.
And you know, work had sort of slowed down for obvious reasons. So,
And initially you enjoy getting bored, but bore bhi kitna ho loge? Like, you know,
Yeah.
there's only that
and
much.
I've never been like, you know, I need to finish Netflix, or I'm a
हाँ.
big TV show enthusiast. वो थोड़ा बहुत देख लिया dinner time पे and all is fine. But
हाँ.
you know, I have this deep need to be productive in my own eyes. So
Right.
all that I was saying earlier about don't expect too much
Like
from
chill.
yourself and chill and all, वो खुद से होता नहीं है. It's difficult. I still try, but it was just like, okay, let's try this one thing, and I'm
Correct.
always open to trying new things in life, right? So
Right.
YouTube was completely new for me, because radio तो हमने किया है बहुत, लेकिन
हाँ.
video कैमरा के सामने बैठ के बात करना was a completely different thing. We just started it seems to be working, and you know.
Good, yeah. But what else? I know you have mixtape, which currently बैठे आप ओमान में हो, लेकिन वो शो होता है कैलिफोर्निया में, correct?
Yes.
हाँ. So lovely. So what is that about? Tell me a bit about that as well.
Again, the mixtape is basically a show that's just about music, where I get to play 2 hours of the music I love. It could be Bollywood, it could be non-Bollywood, it could be indie, it could be hip-hop, it could be Punjabi, Bhangra, it could be anything.
Good music.
But good Desi music, good Desi artists, and it's basically my way of saying that I haven't left radio. It's still there.
Telling
I'm
it to
still
yourself.
connected. Yeah, telling myself. And you know, the thing is, when my listeners from California also message me, they're like, oh my god, your show is so good, it makes my weekend, this and that. It just gives me joy.
Yeah,
You know, even
yeah.
if I make that little tiny difference in like one person's day,
Right.
it gives me joy. And to think that I'm able to do it even in this time of lockdown with listeners who are halfway you know, around the world from me,
Correct.
is just technology, like I was saying. Don't
Right.
miss it. It can make so many things possible in today's world.
Yes, so
You know,
true.
if used correctly.
So now with all of it, I think if you had to take, like, you know, अभी हमने इतनी सारी अच्छी चीजें बोली हैं about, like, you know, yeah, we all know the negatives, like, you know, we don't want to focus on the negatives, which is why we are focusing so much on all the good things this has taught us. What is the one thing you're going to miss about the lockdown when everything finishes and सब कुछ खुल जाएगा, people start going out, maybe with, like, you know, without masks also, maybe when that day arrives. But what is the one thing about lockdown which you're going to completely miss?
I will just miss the slowness in the pace.
You don't
in
think
the
that's
day.
possible when regular life begins? You don't think that slowness is possible to create just by self?
I don't think, I mean, it is, but it has to be actively pursued and actively chased. Because, whether we
Wow.
want to admit it or
Matlab, you
not.
have to actively chase the slowness.
Yes.
Nice.
See the irony of it.
Yes.
But I genuinely feel like the world is so it's constant stimulation, and it's also what we're kind of teaching the next generation. I see parents, people my age who are parents, and they're all like constantly finding new classes and hobbies and things for their kids to do, picking them, dropping them. Oh, he has a Zoom class right now. Oh, things like that. And it's like we've forgotten what it is to feel bored.
Yeah.
And there is a certain joy in boredom also, like dolce fa niente, the joy of doing nothing.
Yeah.
The Italian concept. It's just nowadays it needs to be chased.
Yeah. In fact, to me, it's more than that. Like I've always noticed, real and true creativity that is not forced, comes when you allow yourself and your spirit to be bored. You know, the deeper you go with boredom is when suddenly the deep down creativity actually surges out and you land up making something real out of it. So that completely
when you're
happens.
with yourself and your own thoughts,
Yeah.
that's when it'll just start flowing.
Correct.
There's so many times I feel like I'm writing in my journal, which I do very rarely nowadays, but I started again in lockdown.
Yeah.
And these are not even thoughts that ever came into my mind before, but now they're just flowing.
Yeah.
I don't know how. It almost feels like my hand is not writing this. It's just flowing.
Wow.
So that kind of thing just comes when you're bored, nothing to do, कुछ, अपने साथ अपने से बातें करते हैं, sort of zone you've gone into.
Yes,
So,
yes. Wow, so super. It has been such fun chatting with you, even on this medium, not just the YouTube one. For sure, I'm going to put the details in the write-up. So जो सब लोग सुन रहे हैं अभी यानी बोल रहे हैं कि हमें भी देखना है क्या है, please, write-up के अंदर सारी details हैं. You can just click over there, get the links from there and then go check it out. Check Jyoti out as Jyoti Sardar on YouTube, and you can check her mixtape out, जिसका link मैं वहाँ पे डाल दूँगी. So that'll be wonderful. But Jojo, thank you so much for taking out little time and chatting with me.
Thank you, Shruti, or should I say Bhola.
Awesome.